Kompas petang kami lanjutkan saudara. Timnas U23 Indonesia akan melawan Brunei Darussalam di grup A Piala AFF U23 di Gelora Bung Karno Senayan Jakarta malam ini. Laga Garuda Muda menjamu Timnas Brunei Darussalam menjadi debut Gerald Vandenberg sebagai pelatih skuad Timnas U23 Indonesia. Walau belum sempat menggelar laga uji coba sebagai persiapan laga melawan Brunei, namun Garuda Muda percaya diri dengan hasil laga yang dimulai pukul 20 malam nanti. Garuda Muda yakin permainan yang baik bisa membawa kemenangan dalam pertandingan nanti malam.
About Brunei, I don't know something about Brunei, but I think we have to think about ourselves, and hopefully we can play a good game. No, I think that it's quite normal that I will play with the best players, and I don't care if they play in the first team or before or not. If players show me that they are better than the other one, yeah, then they will play. So they had to, it's always a competition also with each other,
Tetaplah di Kompas Petang, saudara. Sebuah lapak tempat penyimpanan bensin eceran ludes terbakar di Tambora, Jakarta Barat.